again, all of them FMCG stocks impacted by GST. Bata is the first of them. Mangalam Maloo is here to tell us what the street is expecting.
Indeed, Lata. So for Bata, for instance, remember the stock has surged 30% since budget day low. So the street is expecting a good quarter, primarily because this also is the quarter where the schools start, and Bata has a large market share in school shoes as well as monsoon shoes. So we're expecting a revenue growth of about 11%, as well as EBITDA margins of around 13.5% on Bata, which implies a roughly 80 basis points improvement over the previous quarter. On the bottom line, though, we're expecting a 60 crore PAT as compared to 92 crores, and this looks optically lower, primarily because there was a 43 crore worth exceptional gain coming in the base quarter. So three numbers to remember: 11% top line growth, 13.5% margins, as well as a net profit of 60 crores. That's as far as Bata is concerned. But another number that the street will be excited about is Berger Paints, primarily because Asian Paints as well as Kansai Nerolac also reported a good set of numbers, and the stock has surged nearly 50% from budget day lows. So for Berger Paints, the three numbers to remember will be a total income growth of 10%. That's what our poll throws up. Margins are expected to rise by 130 basis points year on year, primarily on account of lower crude prices. They will be lower sequentially because crude prices have risen over the last quarter, but year on year they are still down about 20%. So EBITDA margins around that 14.5% mark, and a net profit which is higher by 32%, closer to that 100 crore mark for Berger Paints. And finally, Emami, the top line growth for Emami is expected to be around that 18.7% mark, led primarily by the Kesh King acquisition, and the EBITDA margins are likely to be just around that 20% mark.
Okay, Mangalam, thanks for that. Well, we need to